Hey guys, it's me Ubaid, and today I will show you how you can find the perfect candidates from a very large database of resumes or candidates, right? So the use case will be you will enter all the criterias, the job description, title, sector, whatever the industry is, the experience, the education level, the technologies, tools, languages, everything, right? And you will then select submit or find candidates, and uh, you will have a database. Let's say you dump 1,000 resumes in that, and it will select the best top 3 or top 5 candidates for you with the scoring and all of that, and you will get to know like this candidate is good for this job description, so let's interview and hire them, right? So that will be the use case. Let me just show you the demo. So I have this job description, and I will show you with proof like why I think the system works, right? So we will see a hard proof there. So job title is this, everything is right. I will not fill out the all other information to just keep the video to the point, but you can select all of it. Now if I click on submit, now my backend is running, and okay, yeah. So backend is running, and it is doing the analysis, the AI analysis, the sorting of candidates, the finding out the reason why the candidates are good. All the things are happening. Okay, 200. That means our processing is done. Now let's see the magic. Okay, so we get perfect match for Abdullah Muhammad Fadil, whoever it is, right? The second is for this one, the third is for this guy, which is strong match. Now these three are the top 3 applicants which AI could find from your database, and I will show you the database. So for now what I have it as in terms of database, 50 resumes, so all this list, right? The PDFs of 50 resumes. But as a recruiter you could have like 10,000 resumes, right? So it will work on that use case also, right? So now after that, after these top 3, you get to see the other candidates, like all the 50. uh, Here it will be 10, but you can display any number you want. But these are not the exact score, this is the ranking. 107%, 106%, 106%, these are the rankings, right? Now you can say like I want to get the 10 candidates as the top 3, or as the top 10. You can get that, right? But the number will be selected by you, right? For now I have only considered top 3 to be analyzed by AI, and then the ranking will be available for that. Let's say you interview top 3 and you couldn't find the best candidate, then you select the ranking first and then go down, right? So this 107 is not superior than this 90. And yeah, sorry for the confusion if it is happening, but a number will be selected by you, top 3, top 5, top 10, and then that the first candidates will be your top 3, or whatever the top number you said. Now let's see the profile. So Abdullah Muhammad Fadil, and when we see the profile, view profile, I get this card. Score is 90, candidate ID is whatever, name is this. Reason for this score, why AI is saying like Abdullah Fadil has this score. So it's saying 10 years. Obviously if you have 10 years you will get a 90, but I will show you why on this job description this specific candidate is coming from the 50 candidates, right? So just wait for email is there, phone number, whatever, right? And basically these are the uh, information, these are the things which are provided in like the email, and the name and the other things, these are provided in the resume, right? in the resume of the candidate itself, but this score and the analysis is definitely coming from the AI. Now I will just go to my ChatGPT and I will show you why this system works, right? So we will see a proof of that now. Before that, if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to the email or the WhatsApp, and we can build together, right? Just feel free to discuss any use case you are working on, and I may come up with a solution. Okay, let's see. Uh, where it is? Where it is? Hmm. Nope. Yes, this was the chat. What I have done now, this is the proof. So please be attentive. What I have done. Please make a job description best fit for this candidate, and I copy pasted all the resume content. What is the resume content? It is the CV of Abdullah Fadel CV, right? I will just show you now where it is. Resumes Abdullah Fadel. This one, this guy. So I just copy pasted all of the information into ChatGPT, and I asked for the best job description, and then I get this job description. Here's the well crafted job description, which I copy pasted when I was finding the candidates. So now you see we get on the number one Abdullah Muhammad Fadel. That means the system is successfully finding the best candidate. Otherwise, how it will know like Abdullah Muhammad Fadel is good for this job? This we only know that we are finding Abdullah Muhammad Fadel, and we have the best job description for him. But AI system doesn't know that, right? So this is the proof like why I think the system is working, right? Okay, perfect. Now let's go back to the, and the other thing also is you can find the jobs also. So you can have this system also where you just select the your resume, and let's say you have like 50, 70, 100 jobs in your database, and it will recommend like this job is best for this resume. So it can be the other way around also. Okay, perfect. I will do a whole other video about it, okay, for this system. But yes, this was the system. Now let's talk about how it is working technically, and how it is in the code, looks in the code. So this was the job description, and you can see the similar, very the exact job description which ChatGPT gave us. Now let's see here, and yeah, where I can show you. So first of all, the system, if I were asked to uh, uh, put it in a basket or in a category, that will be recommendation system, because uh, you input a job description, you enter a job description, and then you ask what is the recommended candidate for this job description. So it is a recommendation system, just like movies. What Netflix does is it say these are the interest of this candidate, not the candidate, the viewer, or this customer. Now tell me what are the movies which are recommended for this person, so that I can show you on the home page. This is the recommendation which Netflix does, just like, not exactly, but you get the idea, right? Now this is the same thing we are replicating in this system. So we are saying this is the job description. Now tell us what are the top most recommended candidates for this job description. So we have to go into the embeddings of the resumes and the job description. So what it does, it goes to similarity scores, and the cosine similarity, it is coming from the RAG concept, if you know about that, right? So basically cosine similarity is between the sample in x and y. So going into mathematical detail a bit, but it will worth it. So now the distance between a job description and the candidate will decide whether it should be recommended or not, whether the candidate should be recommended for this job or not. If the distance is very small, then it will say that it is recommended. If the distance is larger, then it will not say. So let's say the 50th ranking of the candidate will have the largest or the longest distance from the job description, and the first one, which is Abdullah Muhammad Fadel, he has the shortest distance with the job description in terms of mathematics. So that's how the system works, right? Just telling you the the overall idea. You can build it on your way also, but that's how I visualize and I build the system. Okay, perfect. I hope you like the video and you like the concept overall. And yeah, all the source code will be also present in the description. Plus you can reach out to the email or the WhatsApp. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.